Oh, I guess I'll dance to that. I could dance to that. Wow.
You want to dance some more?
Ponies have got fancy since I was a kid.
Woo!
Do you want to put them on there?
What do you think?
Look at that horsey.
That's his nose.
That's like your nose.
Oh, don't pick your nose.
What if we went on top of them?
You can sit on them.
Oh.
And put your feet here. Put your feet.
For safety.
Put your foot there. And your foot here. And then you go.
Woo!
Yay! Yes, that's a big boy.
Is that fun?
Yay!
Oh, yay!
Yay! Good boy.
That's fun.